you think of Tom?
He's so excited to be out of his cage.
I know.
He looks like a cattle dog.
He's a good dog. He's so little.
Look at those spots. Look at those spots.
Well, let me just wait up on getting him out before.
He's trying to hurt TomTom.
Yeah, he's probably just wanting to play. If he starts barking and acting and scratching and trying to get in the cage, but he's corralling him. Yeah.
You think that's a sheep? You gonna be a sheepdog? You'd be a good sheepdog.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Tom, you want to come out?
It's like a wind-up toy.
Yeah, I know, right?
Tom's like, no, I'm good right now.
Is he trying to nibble on Tom?
I couldn't tell. He wasn't being aggressive.
Tom, come on. Teach him a lesson, Tom. Teach him a lesson, Tom.
TomTom's like, here we go again.
Well, he's going out.
More dog testing. Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. With his sliding feet.
He's just curious of what it is.
What is that? Is that a skunk? Is it a sheep?
Is it a play toy?
Yeah.
Oh, Tom's giving him the head bud. Well, Tom came out, so he obviously didn't feel threatened.
Yeah.
He's just a little, I just didn't know what to
Just
expect.
a lot of energy.
He may have never seen a cat before.
But he's been in the little dog room with the little kennel, so.
Yeah, but that's different than cats.
Yeah, but he's probably just glad to be out.
I know. Oh, good boy,
Yes,
Tom.
Tom's being good.
He's just
He's yelling Matt. He wants to
He
play.
wants to play.
Tom's
is
not
just laying-
scared.
Tom is not scared. He's like, okay. He's just weird. Now, this is not good, though. Yeah, I wouldn't trust this, though.
You want me to let Tom in? TomTom.
I'm sorry. Let's just take it away.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
It's a little bit too much energy, buddy.
Yeah, it's just... He would pounce.
TomTom's still rubbing his head.
Yeah, I know.
He would definitely pounce.
He would pounce, and it's not everybody is as dog savvy as
Yeah.
TomTom.
Yeah.
So I would advise knowing the kitties.
This is